Number four, the flash nonfiction piece. Flash nonfiction focuses on one particular image, is tightly focused, and mines its central image in ways that create metaphorical significance. So the idea is you'll tell a story, you'll tell it briefly, you'll tell it powerfully, it'll focus on usually one thing, and that one thing is often metaphoric in nature. So it's not just a story about camping, it's a story about reconnecting with the environment. It's not just a story about your grandparents, it's a story about the passing on of tradition. It's not just a story about your first love, it's the story of understanding more greatly how you interconnect with others whom you care deeply for. So it's usually an element of a longer lyric essay. It could go into a braid, it could go into a collage, it could go into a hermit crab, but the idea is you'll tell one story briefly and powerfully, which usually connects to other brief and powerful stories. So think of it as just taking the narrative arc of introduction, uh, rising action, climax, falling action, and then conclusion, intro, body, and conclusion, with characters, with setting, with plot, with discovery, and applying that in a much larger sense as a piece to the much larger lyric essay on the topic that you're choosing to write about.